In today's video, I will walk you through how to see liked songs on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're signed in, look to the left side of the screen for the sidebar. This is where you can access your library. Find the section labeled Your Library. Inside this section, look through the list until you find Liked Songs. Depending on your layout, liked songs may appear near the top of your library or alongside your playlists. If your sidebar is minimized and only showing icons, hover over it or expand it so you can see the labels clearly. Once you find Liked Songs, click on it. This will open the Liked Songs page where you can view all the tracks you have saved. You'll see the song titles and artists along with other details, including the date each song was added. Every time you tap the heart or save a track, that song is added to your Liked Songs collection automatically. You can view and play the songs from this page just like you would with a playlist. If you have saved many songs over time, scroll through the list to browse your collection and find the tracks you want to play. You can select a specific song from the list, press play to begin listening, or use shuffle to play your saved songs in a mixed order. If the Liked Songs page is empty, there are currently no liked or saved tracks in that collection. As you save songs while listening, they will appear in Liked Songs automatically. To quickly review the process, open Spotify and sign in if needed. Then look at the left side of the screen and find Your Library. Locate Liked Songs in the list and click on it. From there, you'll be able to see your full collection of liked tracks, including the song titles, artists, and the date each track was added. You can scroll through the list, choose a specific track, press play, or select shuffle. If the sidebar is minimized, expand it or hover over it so you can read the labels and locate liked songs more easily. Depending on your layout, it may appear near the top of your library or alongside your playlists, but you can find it within your library. That's how to see your liked songs on Spotify. Just open your library, select Liked Songs, and browse through your saved tracks. Thank you for watching.